What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we turn financial dreams into reality. Today, we're diving deep into the mindset shifts that can propel you towards financial success. Let's be real, we've all been in that spot where our bank account is looking a little sad, and it feels like we're stuck in a financial rut. We're left wondering, how do people actually become financially successful? Is there some secret that we're missing out on? Well, I'm here to tell you. It's not all about some magic formula or winning the lottery, it's about something much more powerful and within your control. It all starts with your mindset. Yes, the way you think about money can set the stage for your financial future. That's right, the way you think about money can literally make or break your financial future. Your mindset shapes your actions, and your actions shape your results. So, if you're ready to transform your financial situation and become the boss of your own money, you're in the right place. This journey is all about empowering yourself with the right mindset. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful mindset tips that will completely change the way you view your finances and set you on the path to achieving your goals. These tips are not just theoretical, they are practical and actionable. We're talking about adopting a growth mindset, setting crystal clear financial goals, becoming a lifelong learner, and constantly seeking knowledge. Building resilience like a financial fortress is crucial. Life will throw challenges your way, but with the right mindset, you can overcome any obstacle. And don't forget about cultivating gratitude and positivity around your money. Appreciating what you have can attract even more abundance into your life. Get ready to take some notes because these tips are about to change the game for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a new perspective on your financial journey and the tools to make your dreams a reality. Alright, let's dive right into the first game changer, the growth mindset. This concept, popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, is a powerful tool that can transform not just your financial life, but every aspect of your existence. Now you might be thinking, what does my mindset have to do with my bank account? How can the way I think possibly influence my financial situation? Well, let me tell you, it's everything. Your mindset shapes your actions, and your actions shape your financial reality. If you believe you can improve, you will take steps to make it happen. A growth mindset is all about believing that you can learn, grow, and improve your financial situation, no matter where you're starting from. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. It's about ditching that fixed mindset that says, I'm just bad with money, or I'll never be able to afford that. Instead of being stuck in a negative loop, you open yourself up to new possibilities. Instead, you're telling yourself, I'm committed to learning and growing my financial knowledge, and I'm capable of achieving my financial goals. This positive self-talk is crucial for making progress. This shift in mindset is crucial because it opens up a world of possibilities. When you believe in your potential, you start to see opportunities where others see roadblocks. When you believe in your ability to learn and grow, you're more likely to take action, seek out new opportunities, and bounce back from setbacks. This resilience is key to long-term success. You become a financial sponge, soaking up knowledge, trying new strategies, and constantly evolving your approach to money. This continuous learning keeps you ahead of the curve. Remember, becoming financially successful is a journey, not a destination. It's a series of steps, each one building on the last, leading you closer to your goals. And with a growth mindset, you'll embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, propelling you closer to your ultimate financial goals. Every obstacle becomes a stepping stone. So are you ready to unlock your full financial potential? The journey starts with a single step, and that step is adopting a growth mindset. Embrace the growth mindset and watch your money mindset transform. With this powerful tool, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now that you've got that growth mindset locked in, it's time to get specific. Setting financial goals is a crucial step in your journey to financial freedom. We're talking about setting crystal clear financial goals. These goals will serve as your guiding light, helping you navigate through the complexities of personal finance. This is where the rubber meets the road, people. It's time to put your plans into action. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve financially is like having a roadmap to success. It provides you with a sense of direction and purpose. It gives you direction, keeps you motivated, and helps you make smart decisions with your money. When you know what you're aiming for, every financial decision becomes easier. But here's the key. Your goals need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or as we like to call it, SMART. This framework ensures that your goals are clear and attainable. Don't just say, "I want to be rich." Instead, break it down. Define what being rich means to you in concrete terms. What does rich even mean to you? Is it a certain amount of money in your bank account, or is it the freedom to do what you love without financial stress? Maybe it's owning your dream home, retiring early, or having enough invested to travel the world. Each of these goals requires a different approach and plan, or having enough invested to travel the world. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to create a plan to achieve it. Whatever it is, get specific. Write down your goals in detail. Use tools like financial planning apps or worksheets to help you stay organized. How much money do you need to achieve that goal? Calculate the exact amount and break it down into smaller, manageable steps. What's the timeline you're working with? Set deadlines for each milestone to keep yourself on track. Write it down, create a vision board, whatever helps you visualize your success. Seeing your goals regularly will keep you focused and motivated. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So take the time to create a detailed plan that outlines the steps you need to take. So let's turn those financial dreams into a reality by setting those SMART goals and creating a clear path to achieve them. With determination and a well-thought-out plan, you can reach your financial aspirations. Never stop learning, become a financial guru. Alright, let's be real for a second. The world of finance can seem pretty intimidating, right? With all the jargon, investment strategies, and ever-changing markets, it's easy to feel lost. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a financial expert to manage your money like a boss. What you do need is a commitment to continuous learning. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and grow your wealth over time. The good news is, we're living in the information age. There are countless resources available at your fingertips, many of them completely free. Listen to podcasts, read books and blogs, watch YouTube videos like this one, and even consider taking some online courses. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you learn about personal finance, the more control you'll have over your financial future. So, embrace the learning process, make it a habit to stay informed, and watch your financial confidence soar. Bounce back stronger. Build financial resilience. Let's face it, life throws curveballs, and sometimes those curveballs can really mess with our finances. Whether it's an unexpected job loss, a medical emergency, or a global pandemic, we've all been there. Setbacks are a part of life. But here's the thing, it's not about avoiding setbacks altogether, it's about building financial resilience so you can bounce back stronger than ever. Financial resilience is all about having a plan in place to weather those financial storms. It's about having an emergency fund to cover those unexpected expenses so you're not forced into debt. It's about having the right insurance coverage to protect yourself and your assets. And it's about having a mindset that views setbacks as temporary obstacles, not permanent defeats. Remember, setbacks are opportunities for growth and learning. So, build up your financial defenses, develop a plan, and face those challenges head-on, knowing that you have the resilience to overcome them. The power of positivity, gratitude, and financial abundance. Alright, let's talk about the final mindset shift that can make a world of difference in your financial journey. Gratitude and positive thinking. Now you might be thinking, what does being grateful have to do with making more money? Well, it's all about shifting your perspective and focusing on abundance rather than scarcity. When you're grateful for what you have, even if it's just a few dollars in your bank account, you're sending out positive energy into the universe. You're attracting more abundance into your life. On the flip side, when you're constantly focused on what you lack, you're creating a negative energy that can actually repel wealth. So, start each day by acknowledging and appreciating what you already have. Be thankful for the roof over your head, the food on your table, and the opportunities that come your way. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, believe that there's more than enough to go around, and watch as your financial reality begins to reflect your positive outlook. Take control of your financial destiny. So, there you have it, the 5 mindset tips that can transform your financial life. Remember, it all starts with adopting a growth mindset, believing in your ability to learn and grow your finances. Then, it's about setting crystal clear financial goals, creating a roadmap to success. Next, commit to continuous learning, becoming a financial guru, and making informed decisions. And don't forget about building financial resilience, having a plan to weather those inevitable storms. Finally, cultivate gratitude and positive thinking, attracting abundance into your life. Start implementing these tips today, and watch as your financial situation begins to change for the better. Remember, you have the power to take control of your financial destiny. Now go out there and make it happen, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial tips and tricks to help you achieve your goals.